Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful fabric crafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So let's start. Today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Felt flower, cut flower shapes from felt, layer different color, glue or stitch together perfect for decoration. Felt soft toys make small animals like teddy, bunny, or cats filled with cotton. Cut and handmade gifts. Felt pouch bag. Cut 2 same shapes. Stitches each. Add zipper button. Simple and useful. And viewers, my next idea is friends. Felt ornaments make star heart or tree, decorate with beads, perfect for festive decoration. And friends, felt mobile cover. Viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for